Alright guys, right here in one of my local ponds. If you live in Beaumont, you probably know where this place is. It rained a lot last night. We got like 4 or 5 inches of rain. So, came out here, the pond's kind of flooded. I'm gonna do a little frog fishing and some jig fishing. We're gonna see what we can do. Today I'll be fishing a 1/4 ounce bitsy jig and a Beaumont pad crasher junior. Off the fact that it's smaller and the bass in here will have an easier time getting it. We're gonna start over here and then work our way over. Oh! Lost my jig. I just retied that too. I don't know how I lost that one. That was a big one. And of course I don't have my tackle box with me, so today I guess we'll just be frog fishing. Got him. Nice one. Nice chunker. Nice little chunk. Get out of there. Come up here. Like I said, they're feeding in these reeds right here. So saw that. I have to let them have it before I set the hook. This whole thing with topwater fishing, so you miss a lot of fish. It's a nice chunky bass. There he goes. Kicking off. Get right there. I threw there about 4 or 5 times already and he didn't want it. A lot of times you can just, oh, there's one. Saw that? Got him. Jumped out of the water for that one. It's a big one. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh man, he wanted that frog. Hope you saw that, guys. He jumped clean out of the water to get that. Get that in his mouth all day. Chunky, chunky. Hook barely came out, so when you hook them, you gotta pin them tight. If you don't, you'll lose a lot of them. That was awesome. And what I do to increase my hookups, guys, on these frogs is I'll trim the legs. You know, see how the legs are a little shorter. That just gives the frog, the bass, a little something less to hold on to, and makes it easy for them to get the hook, other than the long frog legs. There's one. Another one right there. The same little point. Must have got the female. It's probably the male guarding the eggs right there. Right now it's springtime, so all these bass are getting chunky to just get ready to spawn. So right now is the time to come out and get you some nice pretty bass. that jig. I know that jig's probably been killer right now. There's another one. Got him. Oh, it's a big one. Put a little slack in that line, he almost shook that hook out. So you gotta, once you pin them, guys, you gotta get them to keep coming to you. Pretty nice bass. Catch a few more. All in that same little area on the edge of these weeds. There's one. That's a big one. Oh, get out of there. Oh, get out of there. Come on. Oh my God. He's right there. There it goes. There he goes. That's why, guys, you use braid. Because look at that. I had to pull them through vines, limbs. You saw that, he jumped out of the water to get that frog. So I'm gonna toss him a little farther and get back in there. There he goes. Awesome. Around that pause. He smoked it. He's trying to tear himself out. Grab him. There you go. Nice little chunky bass right there in the little pocket. And if you start catching a few bass, guys, give the area a break and come back. The bass will replenish themselves. They probably got a little stressed out because you pull a few of them out of the school and stir up the area. So you see, I caught a few bass in the area earlier. I came back and caught another one. There's another one right there. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. That's a big one, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, yeah. That's a hog. That's a hog. That's what I'm looking for. Look at that. Yeah, boy. That's what I'm talking about. That's a big one. That's probably one of my personal best bass right there, guys. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Barely hooked. That's what I'm talking about. He was hooked pretty good. Top of the mouth. Okay, got him out. Come on. There he goes. Look at that, guys. Awesome. Probably one of my best bass out of this pond. You see they're busting over there too. So right now they're in the feeding mode. I'll let this big girl go. There we go. Lay some eggs. Awesome, guys. Love it. That's what you live for. And what they're doing, the bass are doing in this little pond, guys, is there's a bunch of little minnows. See these giant school minnows right here in these reeds, and what they're doing is they're running in those reeds and attacking them. So this frog's a great way to pick apart these reeds and help you locate bass. Oh, another stud, guys. Another stud. Look at that. Oh my god. That's another big bass. Man, look at that. Look at that, guys. Bucket mouths right there. Beautiful fish. Beautiful. Alright, let him go. Alright. That's on a Concept A with a Falcon Buku medium heavy 6.6, 30-pound Power Pro, and a Booyah pad crasher. These type of conditions, guys, are perfect for top waters. It covers up the bait real well, and this is the type of weather that the bass are feeding in. So this is the time to get out here. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, check out my sponsors in the link below. Should have another video up soon. I'm going to Sabine Pass this weekend to do a little marsh fishing for some reds. Probably gonna end up with a few trout, flounders, and yeah, thanks for watching.